Salesforce Certified Marketing Cloud Consultant exam questions are shared free for your online practice. 1. After implement Marketing Cloud Connect, the customer notices tracking details from Email Studio initiated sends are not being sent back to Sales Cloud. Which configuration in Marketing Cloud should the customer verify? A. Report as saved standard Salesforce folder. B. Required profile attributes are property mapped. C. Sendable data extension is saved in the Salesforce data extension folder. D. Email address column is included in the report used for sending. Answer: B. 2. A B2B customer has customized journeys they want to use for several key accounts they are trying to sell into. How could Marketing Cloud Connect be used to initiate these sends when contacts for select accounts are created? A. Salesforce campaign entry source on the lead object. B. Salesforce data entry source on the contact object. C. Salesforce data entry source on the account object. D. Welcome email configuration on the account object. Answer: B. 3. A customer has a robust Sales Cloud org with several custom objects. Historically, they have created complex reports, referencing many custom objects, to target subscribers and exported them to another email system for deployment. With the implementation of Marketing Cloud Connect, the customer wants to simplify the sending process using Marketing Cloud with as little additional setup as possible. What should a consultant recommend to meet this criteria? A. Continue to build reports in Sales Cloud and import it to Marketing Cloud for sending. B. Create a journey and use Salesforce data and the report subject as the entry source. C. Sync all custom objects to Marketing Cloud and recreate the reports for sending. D. Continue to build reports in Sales Cloud and select the reports in Marketing Cloud. Answer: B. 4. Northern Trail Outfitters uses separate Marketing Cloud accounts as environments for development, UAT, and production. They want to test all automations and journeys in each environment prior to launching in production. Which extension product should be used to speed up the migration of data extensions and journey builder configurations between each environment? A. Configuration Manager. B. Change Sets. C. Deployment Manager. D. Ant Migration Tool. Answer: C. 5. A customer's web developer team is creating a form that will leverage a Marketing Cloud REST API endpoint to upsert rows into a data extension. How should the consultant create an installed package in Marketing Cloud to facilitate this functionality? A. Enable the package for all business units in the Marketing Cloud account. B. Create a separate installed package for each individual web form. C. Instruct the web team to store the client ID and secret in the client-side code. D. Ensure the package scope includes read and write permissions for data extensions. Answer: D. 6. A customer wants to set up a real-time, API-driven way to be alerted when transactional messages fail to send out of Marketing Cloud. They are currently in the process of hiring a full-time developer but want an implementation in place for the developer to maintain. What should the customer have in place to ensure this solution can be implemented? A transactional journey with the not sent notification activity included. B. A Datarama instance to ingest their data. C. An external system to receive and confirm callback and subscriptions. D. An Interaction Studio instance to ingest their data. Answer. C. 7. A consultant configured a triggered send definition in Sales Cloud for a customer using Marketing Cloud Connect. The trigger is on a custom object called shipments, and is enabled for triggered sends in setup. Which two configuration requirements should be considered when troubleshooting? Choose two answers. A. The shipment object is on the account-related list. B. There is a master detail relationship from contact to shipment. C. The shipment object requires a lookup to lead or contact. D. An Apex trigger is created on the shipment object. Answer. A. D. 8. A customer manually imports records for sending. Each record contains a warehouse ID that is shared between Marketing Cloud and a third-party system. The customer does not have developer resources, but wants to include the warehouse ID in their tracking parameters so that the third-party system can identify the subscriber. What should a consultant recommend? A. Use personalization strings created by selecting the data extension. B. Use AMP script variables created from each field in the data extension. C. Use dynamic content rules to select a content area for each subscriber. D. Use guide template language created for each field in the data extension. Answer. A. 9. A customer wants to use Sales Cloud as a system of record for email messages sent from Marketing Cloud. However, the customer only sends from custom objects and cannot use the contact ID or lead ID as the contact key in Marketing Cloud. What is the implication of this data model when using Marketing Cloud Connect? A. Email sends will fail if the contact ID or lead ID is not included. B. Tracking data will not be returned to the Sales Cloud email recipient. C. The customer will be able to use reports and campaigns as audiences. D. The customer will be unable to use synchronized data extensions. Answer. A. 10. Northern Trail Outfitters is growing and acquiring other organizations, each with its own instance of Sales Cloud. They are debating whether to upgrade Marketing Cloud Connect to multi-org. What consideration could be provided to help with the decision? A. Shared Salesforce data extensions will be enabled in up to 5 business units. B. Custom profile and subscription centers will not be required. C. Once an account is upgraded to multi-org, it cannot be turned off. D. Existing accounts cannot be upgraded to multi-org. Answer. C.